Hey everybody, my name's John Erickson, 6 feet tall, coming to you live from Los Angeles, California. I've always been an action adventure type character, done several shoots internationally in the Vietnam, the Bahamas, where I've done motorcycle chases and cliff jumping and jumping off of boats, and I rode an ostrich in one scene and took a couple of falls. I've done fight choreography, worked with several stunt directors, stuntmen, where I've taken hits and actually fallen on nothing but grass. And I'm the guy that just sort of takes it and keeps on going. So I'm very comfortable in these action-oriented scenes, with or without pads. Very familiar with safety protocol, safety first, my own safety, the safety of others around me, and of course, when we're using props in the natural environment, understanding what we can and cannot do, the extent to what we can do it, especially with wild animals at the same time. So I play ice hockey on a regular basis. I'm the kind of guy that will get out there, get crushed, get back up, do it again, and do it as many times as we need to get it done right. So yeah, having a good time, and thanks so much.